Coming into the MSc, I had some background already on particle physics and on quantum field theory, and my main goal being here was just to deepen this knowledge and to learn more, to understand more. It is part self-study, but also the professors were very helpful and would answer whatever I wanted to know about the subject. So I do feel that if I want to go into research after this, I do have the necessary skills and knowledge.
When I chose the master, I wanted to do a PhD later. Now I discovered that I can also go into other professional careers like computing or consultancy.
I've chosen to pursue an experimental particle physics PhD, even though both my undergraduate and my graduate degrees were in theoretical physics. I started a PhD at Imperial College London. I was fortunate enough to receive a scholarship for this, which has allowed me to continue my research in particle physics.
Get like a better knowledge of like fundamental physics, and then kind of like figure out what I wanted to do. Did I want to stay in academia? Did I want to go into a job? I was expecting that from like, by the end of the Masters I'd know what I wanted to do. Now next year I'm going to apply for PhD places, so the MSc and like my supervisor really like helped me along with that, so it's been good.
You can pick your own courses, so if you know what you're interested in for example a PhD, you can pick the courses that would be relevant for you and you would have a very good basic knowledge starting your PhD or the research that you want to do.
I was given plenty of opportunities to gain practical experience in the field I'm interested in, which really gave me a leg up on other applicants. For example, I was given the opportunity to pursue a project during my course time, separate from my master's degree, that let me do some research with LHCb at CERN, and I completed a full LHCb analysis while still in the actual course period, which was really, really strong on my application. During the master's degree, I was allowed to go to Russia for 2 months and complete a project, rather, with the St. Petersburg State University. So these kinds of actual doing research with other physicists at PhD level gave me a really, really strong application for my PhD.
Yeah, the MSc will be very helpful when I'm looking for PhDs next year, because obviously the name recognition is very helpful. And as also, aside from that, like the courses that we've done are very good courses. They're very like internationally recognized. And also the project and the research work that I've been doing on the dissertation has been very good and been supervised by a very good supervisor. So that'll help me a lot when I'm applying for PhDs.
I didn't anticipate how well the MSc would prepare me for pursuing my own research, essentially. I was given a lot of freedom in choosing to do the things I wanted, and now that I start a PhD, I find that my ability to steer the direction of my PhD is really good. I can understand the opportunities in front of me much better, having been given so many, essentially.